Hello guys, today we are going to be unboxing this Epson printer. But first of all, let me introduce myself if you're new to this channel, which so am I. My name is Jake. I'm a 13-year-old homeschooler who just decided to do it, and my homeschool is Wolsey Hall Oxford. Now you may be thinking, right, that's an online school, and online school sometimes has all the resources on their website. Well, actually, in fact, some of it you have to print out and then you have to scan. And this is why this is perfect. So what you do first of all is you go get the assignment from the Canvas website or the Wolsey Hall when you log in, and then you download it, and then you have to print it. You then have to fill it out with your own handwriting, and you have to make it neat. Make sure you have to make it neat because they'll be on your case about that. And then you have to scan it, and you have to then put it through PDF binder, which if you have more than one page that you've written on, then you can put all the PDFs that you have scanned and put them into a program, as I've told you, called PDF binder, which combines it all into one file. So first of all, I got this off of Amazon for around £30, and it was super quick to arrive here. We ordered it one day before and it came here the next day, even though we have Prime. You can also get it at Argos. If you live in the UK, you can get it with your Nectar points and you can save on those. In the UK, in Argos, you cannot earn points, but however you can spend points. So if you have some leftover Nectar points, you can use it on this. And this printer is especially great because it's got a compact size. It has a pretty compact size, and it's wireless, and it has a higher DPI rating than other printers this price range. So right now we're going to try and unbox it. This is the Epson Expression XP245, and this model is the smaller version. You can get bigger version if you're working in photography or at a home office or even just a general school or any type of office. Epson brand is great. Just to remind you, this brand video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored at all. So let's get into the unboxing. Since I don't have my trusty knife with me right now, here are the scissors, and here, as I said, it's the Epson. So right now we have, it says that it's a small-in-one save money in space-time printer, wireless, mobile printing as well, I forgot that, 29 black cartridges and 29 XL black cartridges, and it says print 2.5 more pages, 2.5 times more pages. So let's get into this. If all goes to plan, the printer will be out of the box in 3, 2, 1. So guys, first of all, we have our ink cartridges, which are all in different colors, and this is the cyan, magenta, yellow, black, standard typical printer fare. The next of all, we have the manual with the CD. As you know, this has the software on it, so if you want to put it onto your computer, you can do it via CD if you have an older computer, and then the actual manual if you want to download the software and how to program it. Then we actually have the hardware itself, which is the XP245 itself. So it's in the black color, and it has printing and scanning function. And here we have the power cable. And there you go. the fresh new Epson XP245. If you guys have an opinion about if school resources should be physical, like pens, books, or paper, or online digital, please voice it in the comment section below if you do. If you don't, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, and if you want to see my last video, you can click the video link here, which will display in a few seconds. And thank you for watching.